Hello gorgeous people, and welcome back to my channel. Really quickly, I just want to share some things in this little haul right here. I went to a place called Buff City Soap. They are having a sale for 13% off right now, so go check them out. And let's get right off into the haul. The first thing I picked up in this haul is this bar of soap. How cute is the packaging, you guys? Let's open it together and see what it looks like. And voila, here it is. This soap smells so delicious. Called Commando with shea butter. I cannot wait to try this out. So let's go try this out right now. I picked up some body butter, and this is 99 Problems. I love the packaging. It smells so good. Oh wow, look at that. It's like whipped cream. I love that it has a whipped cream effect and just really makes my skin feel very smooth. And lastly, in this haul, they gave me a free gift, a laundry detergent, a single-use laundry soap, and it's in Good Morning Sunshine. If you're looking for a natural soap, body butter, and laundry detergent, please check out Buff City Soaps. Check them out in the description box below at buffcitysoap.com.